I'm going to walk you through how to do a calibration on a YSI Pro 10 with the ORP sensor. Right now we have the ORP sensor on the probe. We rinsed it with DI water and then we rinsed it with some fresh Zobell solution, and we have it sitting in fresh Zobell solution right now, making sure that the temperature sensor is covered. This is our fresh Zobell solution that we have mixed up, and it comes with a calibration chart. We're going to be looking at the temperature column along with the millivolt column. When we look at where the probe is right now, we're looking at about 23 degrees. And when we go to our chart, we're going to see that's between the 20 and the 25. So doing the math, we're going to look and see that that's about 1.5 millivolts per temperature unit. So we're going to be taking off 4.5 millivolts off of that reading at the 20. And so we're going to be calibrating right about 26 millivolts. And even though that's where we are right now, I'm going to walk you through the calibration. Simply hold down Cal, and then the screen says ORP calibration, and use the up and down arrows to adjust. So if it was not on already, you would just go up or down to adjust so your millivolts will match what you have decided to calibrate with your calibration chart. So once we have that, we're just going to simply hit the enter button. Calibration successful. And if you want to verify you have a good calibration, want to make sure it's stable, you can even take it out of the solution and put it back in the solution, let it equilibrate, and you'll come right back to your initial calibration value.